Okay, so imagine this for a moment. An entire world, connected, trading, writing, building, just stops. Cities burn, trade collapses, knowledge disappears. And when we look back, thousands of years later, we don't find clear answers. We find fragments, gaps. Number 10. What triggered the Bronze Age collapse? Around 1200 BCE, something unusual happened. Multiple advanced civilizations across the eastern Mediterranean declined within a relatively short period. The Hittite Empire disappeared. Mycenaean cities were destroyed. Trade networks, once stable and extensive, collapsed. Before this, the region functioned like a system. Metals, grain, luxury goods, everything moved between kingdoms. Then, almost simultaneously, that system failed. Archaeology shows destruction layers, burned cities, abandonment, simplified craftsmanship. But here's the problem. No single cause explains all of it. Some evidence points to drought, some to earthquakes, some to migration and conflict, like the so-called sea peoples. Each explanation works locally. None fully explains the scale. It wasn't just a collapse, it was a chain reaction. Number 9. Who were the sea peoples? Ancient Egyptian records describe them as invaders, groups arriving by land and sea during a time of instability, but they don't look like simple raiders. Reliefs from the reign of Ramesses III show entire groups, families, carts, ships, more like migration than invasion. Egypt fought them off, but their origins remain unclear. Some theories link them to displaced Mycenaean Greeks. Others suggest Anatolian or Mediterranean populations under pressure. Here's what makes it complicated. Many regions were already unstable, so the question isn't just who they were, but whether they were the cause or a symptom of something already breaking, and after appearing so dramatically, they vanish from the record. Number 8. Why was the Indus Valley Civilization abandoned? At its peak, this was one of the most advanced urban societies on Earth. Cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa had grid-based streets, drainage systems, long-distance trade, and yet no clear evidence of kings or large armies. Then, around 1900 BCE, the cities slowly empty. No massive destruction, no clear war, just decline. Environmental change is one explanation. Shifting rivers, weaker monsoons. But there's a deeper problem. Their writing system remains undeciphered. Thousands of seals exist, but no one can read them. So the internal story, the decisions, the pressures, the reasons is missing. Not destroyed, just locked. Number 7. What happened to the Library of Alexandria? It's often imagined as a single catastrophic loss, but reality is less dramatic and more frustrating. The Library of Alexandria wasn't destroyed once. It likely faded over time. Some damage may have occurred during Julius Caesar's campaigns, other losses during political or religious conflicts, possibly over centuries, which means there's no single moment to point to, just gradual disappearance. And that raises a deeper question. Not how it was lost, but what was lost. Ancient scholars had already measured Earth's size, explored advanced mathematics, designed complex machines. We know this because later texts mention it, but many originals are gone, so we don't just lose answers, we lose entire ways of thinking. Number 6. Why did the Maya cities collapse? Between the 8th and 9th centuries CE, many major Maya cities were abandoned. Not destroyed suddenly, but gradually. The Maya had writing systems, astronomical precision, complex political networks, then cities emptied. Evidence suggests multiple pressures: prolonged drought, environmental strain, political instability, but not everywhere at once. Some cities lasted longer. Others declined earlier, which suggests this wasn't a single collapse, it was a slow fragmentation. And importantly, the Maya didn't disappear. Their descendants still exist today. What vanished was the urban system. Number 5. What was lost in ancient libraries? The Library of Alexandria wasn't unique. Across the ancient world, knowledge was stored in fragile ways: scrolls, clay tablets, manuscripts, often in single copies, which means one fire, one invasion, and entire ideas vanish. We know this because surviving authors reference works that no longer exist: histories, scientific texts, philosophical systems, gone. not because they were unimportant, but because they weren't copied. This creates a strange situation. Our understanding of the ancient world is based on what survived, not what existed. Number 4, who built Göbekli Tepe and why bury it? Göbekli Tepe dates back to around 9600 BCE, before cities, before writing, even before agriculture was fully established. And yet, massive stone pillars, carefully arranged, covered in detailed carvings. This shouldn't exist at that stage of human development, but it does. Even more puzzling, there's no clear nearby settlement, no obvious population center. And then, it was deliberately buried, not destroyed, covered, carefully, as if someone wanted it preserved or hidden. We don't know why. And that uncertainty challenges something fundamental. Maybe complex belief systems came before cities, not after. Number 3, where did cities actually begin? Civilization doesn't have a single origin point. It appears multiple times. Mesopotamia, Egypt, Indus Valley, later the Americas, all developing urban systems independently. That raises a key question. Did the idea of cities spread, or did it emerge separately? Evidence supports both. Environmental conditions played a role, rivers, agriculture, but the speed of development is still debated. Within a few thousand years, villages to complex cities, and we don't fully see the transition. We see the result, not the process. Number 2, what happened before recorded history? Before writing, humans already had art, tools, rituals, long distance migration. But without written records, most of their world is lost. We can track movement, we can analyze tools, but we can't fully reconstruct. Beliefs, stories, social structures, entire cultural systems may have existed and disappeared without leaving enough trace. Which means prehistory isn't just incomplete, it's mostly invisible. Number 1, what's still missing from human history? Even today, history is partial, incomplete, selective. Coastal settlements may be underwater. Organic materials decay. Entire societies may have left nothing durable behind. And even when we find artifacts, interpretation is limited. Objects suggest possibilities, not certainty. So the real question isn't just, what do we know? It's, how much are we missing? Because history isn't a full record, it's a reconstruction, built from fragments and shaped by what happened to survive. If you step back and look at everything, collapsed systems with no clear cause, migrations without origins, cities abandoned without explanation, knowledge lost without measure, structures built before we expected them, and buried without reason. This isn't a failure of history, it's a limit. Our models are improving, our tools are better than ever. But the past doesn't always leave answers. Sometimes it leaves silence, and we're still learning how to interpret it. If you don't want those gaps to remain just empty space, stay here, because there's always more beneath the surface. And remember, the universe doesn't reveal its secrets to those who rush. It reveals them to those who know how to look. Subscribe and keep listening to the silence.